So you've obviously been Googling for the next big colour hair trend this summer and you've come across this video. So I've got 13 hair colour trends that you're going to want to try out. Let me know in the comments down below what takes your fancy because I would love to know. Let's get into the hair trends. So from Scandi Blonde to Spice Rum, all the hair colour trends you want to try this summer are in this video. So summer might not be the official season for reinvention, but who says you can't shake things up? It is the perfect time to lighten up, brighten up, and embrace a fresh hair hue. Are you ready to dive in? Here are 13 hair colour trends I'm loving this season. First one for me is the Crème Brûlée Blonde, summer's sweetest hair trend. So are you craving a hair colour that is as indulgent as a dessert? Look no further than the Crème Brûlée Blonde. This summer's hottest hair trend is a sophisticated blend of caramel tones, golden balayage and honey lowlights. The result? A radiant sun-kissed look that's as delicious as it sounds. For inspiration, you want to be looking at Swedish pop sensation Zara Larsson. Her stunning blonde locks perfectly capture the essence of this delectable shade. So you ready to treat your hair to something special? You want to be asking your stylist about the Crème Brûlée Blonde, or you can comment down below and ask me anything you want to know about this trend, because the next trend is Brown Balayage, the subtle summer sunshine. Want a natural looking glow up for your brunette hair? The Brown Balayage is your answer. This low maintenance trend involves adding delicate sun-kissed highlights to your base colour. Think soft caramel tones melting into your dark hair for an effortlessly chic look. Inspired by the likes of Bianca Ingrosso, the Brown Balayage is achieved through a freehand painting technique, ensuring a seamless blend and it's basically minimal upkeep. Next trend for me is the Carrot Cake Red. For a slice of summer fun, may I suggest Carrot Cake Red hair? Seen on TikTok personality Meredith Dewsbury, this spicy shade combines warm, fiery orange with cinnamon undertones for a bold effect. Achieving the mouth-watering hue involves brushing through a base of like vibrant reds that is then layered with golden highlights for that sun-kissed carrot cake finish. And following the success of the Scandi hairline, this summer is all about embracing the Scandi Blonde. Imagine a cool ash blonde base that transitions seamlessly into a sun-kissed end. It's like capturing the essence of Swedish summer in your hair. To complete the look, you want to be bleaching those baby hairs and lighter money pieces that frame your face, adding a touch of Nordic glamour. Models Elsa Hosk and Matilda Durf having mastered this trend, making it the ultimate hair envy inspiration for summer 2024. Another trend that I'm loving is the expensive brunette. It's basically luxury locks. So wanting your hair that exudes opulence, the expensive brunette is the colour for you. Inspired by Hailey Bieber's signature shade. This trend is all about creating rich, luxurious looks, whether you prefer a deep chocolate or a caramel fudge base. The key is the finish. A glossy glaze adds depth and dimension, making your hair appear effortlessly expensive. Big, bold colour this one, jet black, the boldest hair statement for summer. In a season dominated by sun-kissed tones, jet black hair is making a dramatic entrance. This bold, uncompromising shade offers a striking contrast to the usual summer hues. For a truly luxurious look, consider a gloss treatment to enhance the depth and shine of your raven locks. While jet black is undoubtedly a statement, it's important to be aware of the maintenance required, especially if you are naturally lighter. However, for those brave enough to take the plunge, the payoff is a head-turning, high-impact style. Blonde is another trend we're looking at, and the best of both worlds. So if you can't decide between blonde and brunette, blonde offers the perfect compromise. This versatile shade of blends, warms, brown tones and subtle blonde highlights, creating a natural sun-kissed look. Inspired by the likes of Barbara Palvin, blonde is a low-maintenance option that requires minimal root touch-ups, whether you're lightening up your brunette or adding depth to your blonde. Blonde is a sophisticated choice for any hair type. Another trend, spiced rum hair, a warm autumnal hue that we're probably going to look at at the end of summer, but ready to transition from summer to autumn already. With a sophisticated hair colour, look no further than the spiced rum trend. Inspired by rich, complex flavours of the beloved spirit, this look features a deep cinnamon base with subtle caramel toned highlights concentrated on the ends. Think of it as a warm, cosy embrace for your hair. So model Helena Christensen perfectly embodies this trend, showcasing its luxury appeal. The old money blonde is coming back. It's timeless elegance. So the old money aesthetic has transcended fashion to infiltrate the world of hair. The sophisticated look epitomised by models like Norwegian beauty Frida Assen is characterised by a rich creamy blonde that exudes timeless elegance. It's a shade that suggests effortless luxury and understated glamour. Another trend I'm loving is the Espresso Brunette, a dark and delicious hair colour. Lily Collins' recent chop and colour has us craving an espresso hued hair makeover. This rich dark brown is the perfect antidote for summer's bright tones, or to summer's bright tones. It's a depth of sophisticated that makes it a strong contender for upcoming cooler months, but we're already hooked. Who says we have to wait for autumn to indulge in a beautiful shade, should we say? Next one is Cowboy Copper, the new red hot. So Cowboy Copper is more than just a hair colour, it's a statement. This fiery shade has been sizzling since last year and it's showing no signs of cooling down, slowing down. Imagine a rich, deep red base with subtle copper highlights framing your face. It's the perfect blend of warmth and edge. So saddle up and prepare to turn heads with this rodeo-ready hue. Another trend for me is the Apricot Blonde, the sun-kissed dream. So a softer take on the classic strawberry blonde, Apricot Blonde is a warm, buttery shade with subtle red undertones. Think of it as a sun-kissed glow captured in hair. Model Suki Waterhouse is the epitome of this trend, showcasing how this hue can effortlessly elevate any look. And the last trend we're looking at is the pastel pink, dreamy and unapologetic. So sometimes you just want to make a statement, and definitely pastel pink hair is the ultimate in unapologetic colour. It's a dreamy, ethereal shade that's all about embracing the unexpected. So for inspiration, look at the style icon that is Tina Lung, who effortlessly rocks this trend. So if you've enjoyed this video about my trends, please let me know in the comments down below. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and until next trend video, or until next video, I look forward to seeing you then. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.